Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech World. I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to view Trust Wallet transactions. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to view your transactions on Trust Wallet, first tap Open Trust Wallet app from the app drawer. Make sure that you are logged into your Trust Wallet account and you are in the main homepage. You'll be able to see tokens that are added on your main wallet, Entourage Wallet. Click on the cryptocurrency of your choice in the token section. Let me tap on BNB. You'll be able to see the transactions using that particular cryptocurrency on the next page. All of your transaction will appear here as it shows on the display. Since I don't have any kind of a transaction whatsoever, you cannot see my transactions, but if you have, you'll be able to see it right here on the screen. That is how you can easily view your transactions on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.